Okay. You need to copy this table in your book, in your blue book. And then when your scale factor, remember scale factor is also called K. So when K is less than 1 but greater than 0, then your image is smaller than the pre-image. Okay? The dilated figure is what we're calling the image. The original figure is what we're calling the pre-image. So, when K is between 0 and 1, the shape becomes smaller. The image becomes smaller than the pre-image. When K is equal to 1, then it means that the image is the same size as the original. When K is greater than 1, then image is larger than original. Now, I need to ask you very good questions tomorrow. Just remembered. I'll write them down. So, when K is between 0 and 1, it's called proper fractions. Here K will only be 1. Here K can be greater than 1. That means whole numbers in proper fraction okay, so there, K greater than 1 can be a whole number or can be an improper fraction. Okay? Alright, things we have to remember: K will never be 0. K will also never be negative. You have to remember that. K will never be 0. K will never be negative. Okay? And when I say K, I mean scale factor. You should know that. Alright? Remember, we always multiply with the scale factor. We always multiply with the scale factor. And you multiply all the sides, not one side, all the sides. We always multiply all the sides with the same scale factor. Okay? What do I mean by that? If I have a rectangle over here, 6 and 3, and then they say K is 2, I cannot decide to do 6 times 2 here and then do 3 times 4. No. Since K is 2, this has to be also 2. If these two are different, then you're not doing a dilation. So your new shape will be 12 and 6. Like that. The K has to be multiplied by the same number on the sides. Okay? You have to remember that. Now, we continue. Yes. Let's do this question. Hamad enlarges a photo shown by a scale factor of 2. So that is important. What shape is my photo? The photo is a rectangular shape. Okay. He then enlarges the web page photo. So now we have a photo that is in the hand, and then we have a photo that is on the computer. So the web page photo, he used 1.5 as the scale factor. If the original photo is 5 by 7, so that means that is the pre-image, original photo. According to the story, if the original photo is 5 centimeters by 7.5 centimeters. I'm reading from your book. What are the dimensions of the print? Are the enlarged photos similar to the original? Okay, so you're gonna do both of them. You're gonna do this and you're gonna do this. Okay, so first he enlarged by 2, then the answer he got, he enlarged by, so you have here, you will do 5 times 2, giving you 10 centimeter, and 7 times 2, giving you, sorry, to 7.5, 7.5. So that gives you 15 centimeter. So this is for the web page, okay? Web page. Then after that, he took the web page and grew it by 1.5 scale factor. So then he did 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter, and multiplied by 1.5. So here, this is the scale factor. And here, scale factor. This here is the scale factor. All right, so 10 times 1.5 is 15 centimeter and 22.5 centimeter. And then they said to see if they're similar. Why wouldn't they be similar? So let's see if they're similar. Well, I know they're similar because it's the same photo. I don't need to do some work, but let's do work to prove. We're gonna prove. All right. So we have our numbers. Image, pre-image. So scale factor, image over pre-image. So we will do what? 15 over, well, but why do I have to do that? I already can see here, I multiplied by the same number. And it came from this picture. All these numbers came because of 5 and 7.5. I don't need to do my work. My answer will be, they are similar because all these dimensions, I got them from the same photo. I didn't take 2 different photos, okay? And each time I multiplied by the same scale factor. That is how I know they are similar. All right, let's do this one. An art show offers different size prints for the same painting. So there is a painting on the wall. If you want it, they will print for you. The original print measures 24 by 30. I always say draw. The minute you draw, you will see. So 24 by 30. 24 by 30. What is the unit? Centimeter. Okay? I am reading from there. A printer enlarges. So now I'm going to draw a bigger one because it says enlarges. Okay? By a scale factor of 1.5. So K is 1.5. or 1 and 5/10. And then it enlarges the second image by a scale factor of 3. So that means I have a bigger one. K here is 3. So from here to here, I will go this way. Then the answers from here, I will go to this one. All right. What are the dimensions of the largest print? Are both enlarged prints similar to the original? So I am multiplying 30 by 1.5. So here I will write 30 times 1.5. This is my work. What is my answer? 30 times 1.5. 45. So here is 45 centimeter. Then we do 24 times 1.5, 36 centimeter. And then here we'll do 45 times 3. And so here I did 24 times 1.5. So here I will do my answer 36 times 3 because K is 3. 45 times 3, 135. 36 times 3, 108. So now, what did the question ask me? Are both enlarged prints similar to the original? Yes. Both enlarged prints are similar to the original because dilation was applied on the same, what are we doing here? Same print, same painting, same painting. Okay? So the original paint grew by 1.5, then this one grew by 3. I always like drawing. Drawing is important. It helps you to see. Okay? And that is how you answer. And you do the rest. Bye.